UEFA Champions League. It's still the first leg of the semi-finals that's taking place, and a big game was played. Barcelona played at home against Inter Milan, and that game ended in a 3-3 draw. A very exciting game that was played, and it's actually a good result for Inter Milan because it was a home game, away game for them. The second leg will be played in Milan then. So it was as early as the 30th second that the first goal was scored. It was Marcus Thuram that scored. That was for Inter Milan. They actually went 2-0 up in that game, but then it was the young Barcelona sensation Jamal that sparked the Barcelona comeback. He scored in the 24th minute, and it was then later on another goal for Inter Milan, and it ended up 3-3. So exciting game that was played in Barcelona. The second leg of this game in Inter Milan will be played next week, Tuesday. And the other semi-final, that the second leg will also be played next week in Paris. That is when Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, they will host Arsenal in the second leg of their semi-final. The first leg was played at Arsenal, and that was a good result for the French team. PSG, they won that game by 1-0.